Here I have NISSAN Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change the balance of your sound on your car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should find the gear icon. So this is the icon at the top of the screen. Let's open the gear icon to open the settings. If you have access to all settings, all you need to do is here find and select the sound and tones. This is right here, this section. As you can see now, you can choose the sound, the first one. If you tap sound, you will get access to the following information: the bass, treble, speed sensitive, volume, but also you've got this graphic. So as you can see, you can use here this slider, you can use this point to the left, to the right, basically whenever you want, as you can see right here. So by moving the orange circle, you choose the sweet spot where the sound is most centered. If you are driving alone, you might center it on your driver's seat, as I did right now. If you have kids sleeping in the back, you can move the circle to the front, so the rear speaker will be turned off. So basically, you can choose whenever you want. If you have the passengers and you would like to have the volume centered, you can do it by using this kind of settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up.